Namaste from me to you. I'm Sharmila and welcome to Swayambhu Discover Yourself. Today our focus will be on 4 words: show, say, same, sentence. So let's start with the first word, show. A show, to show up, show to. There was a flower show in Lal Bagh Garden yesterday. There was a flower show in Lal Bagh Garden yesterday. Let me show you how to knit this sweater. Tia showed her answers to her friends. Jim loves to watch cooking shows. The comedy show was amazing. Nagraj is in show business, that is, he is in films. The second word is say, S-A-Y, say. I say, you say again. Sojas, I like the way you say thank you. The forecast says it might rain heavily on Sunday. An old proverb says, time is money. I will help Rose no matter what you say. Listen carefully to what I have to say. The third word is same, S-A-M-E, same. Same time, same as, the same to you. Minnie, your sari is exactly the same as mine. You have changed. You are not the same as before. Driving a boat is not the same as driving a car. My new job is much the same as the old one. The fourth word is sentence. Simple sentence, compound sentence, complex sentence, daily sentence, useful sentence. What does this sentence mean? Will you translate this sentence into English? A capital letter is used at the beginning of a sentence. Complete the sentence. Listen and repeat each sentence with me. The killer was given a life sentence. So that's all for today. Meet you in my next video. Till then, stay healthy, stay blessed and take care. Thank you for being my inspiration. Be happy always.